Hi everyone, every step I'm sharing in this video has been verified by the mechanics working with me, so don't worry, we'll solve it together. When a customer comes into the shop with this warning on, the first thing we always explain is that it's not just a dashboard glitch or something you can ignore. The car is telling you that the emission system or engine management isn't working properly. Many customers have told us it appears suddenly with no accident or impact, and that matches what we've seen on various forums. It's a generic warning that can have multiple causes, which is why it's worth checking thoroughly. Once we connect the car to our professional diagnostic tool, what we often see are sensors not providing correct data. For example, several customers said, after a few days of normal driving, the message appeared out of nowhere. And when we checked the oxygen sensor or the mass airflow sensor, we found out-of-range readings. This explains why the car triggers the alert. If the sensors aren't sending reliable information, the ECU assumes the emission system can't properly control pollution. Meanwhile, other customers notice the warning comes on after short trips or heavy urban driving. That makes sense because components like the EGR valve or particulate filter can accumulate deposits quickly, confusing the system. Some mechanics note, after cleaning the EGR, the message disappeared. And in our shop, we confirm that cleaning or replacing these parts usually resolves the issue if it's not an electronic failure. We've also seen that dirty connectors or corroded wires can trigger the warning. One customer mentioned that the light appeared after spilling a bit of water inside the car. When we checked the harnesses under the engine, we found moisture and some corrosion on the terminals. After cleaning and securing each connection, the warning disappeared. This shows that sometimes the problem isn't the sensor or a major part, but a simple electrical contact failing to communicate properly with the ECU. Additionally, some customers try resetting the battery to turn off the light temporarily. While this may work for a short time, the fault will return if the root cause isn't fixed. In the shop, we always stress checking each fault code and the components indicated by the diagnostics before taking any action. As one mechanic says, turning off the light doesn't fix the problem, it just hides it until it comes back. In more serious cases, the message can be related to internal failures in the ECU or emissions control module, especially in older models. In those situations, we check communication between all sensors and modules, and if a component is faulty, we replace it so the system operates reliably again. Some mechanics have confirmed that after replacing the module and resetting the system, the warning completely disappears.